Hi, I'm Derek Black. I'm the head of customer success at revVana, and today we're going to talk about our feature that's called Write Back. So with revVana, revVana plans are generated from a set of source objects. In this case, we're using a quote from Salesforce Revenue Cloud product and quote lines that are master detail to the quote. As this quote progresses, revVana will generate a plan based off of the quote line items that reflects effectively what's going to go on in this case for a professional services project. So here we have solution architect, project manager, implementation engineer, these different roles. They have different start and end dates and different numbers of hours for the project. This is translated initially into a plan where we just evenly spread these across the start and end dates for those specific products. As you can see that this is moved to needs review. With revVana, what's possible is changes can be made directly to the plan that will then go back to the quote to give you an overall updated amounts for quantities for revenue that you'd be getting from this project. So in this case, let's look at two resources that we have on this project. We have an integration specialist and a data normalization expert. Let's say that we've kind of under budgeted and underestimated what we needed here for this data normalization person. So for this first week, we actually want to put them at 30 hours. And then the second week, we want them at 20 hours. And then this last week, we want them at 15 hours. So here we bumped them up to 65 hours versus what's on the quote currently, they're at 40 hours. If I go and I update and save this quote, save the plan, the changes here will be reflected on the quote to give you an updated commercial expectation that you can send over to your customer. So here the plan has been updated. We have this is actually saved now. And this should reflect back into the quote line where we have this as 65 hours. So that's the feature of write back that can be configured in revVana to keep your source data in sync with a plan, and potentially vice versa if you need to have things flow through in this direction as well.